Hi, this is Mike Henriksen live from Strata, New York. I'm here with Dave Miller from HPCC, LexisNexis. Dave, what do you guys do in the cloud or in big data?
Well, LexisNexis has been a big data company for years and years. We've got legal publishing and news, and we also have the risk information business where we have lots and lots of personal information to help for banks identify who their customers are, who they say they are. And so we built our own platform many, many years ago in order to handle our big data. And as a result of that, we've done a really good job over the last 10 years of growing this platform. It's got a lot of revenue on it. And now we've decided to open source the platform. And that's what HPCC Systems is part of LexisNexis, but the platform is a high performance computing cluster. And so we're here at this show to talk about that because it handles generic big data problems. And we've used it in-house for several different use cases, including full text or unstructured data as well as the structured data.
So how you find the conversations this week at Strata?
Extremely good. Learning about a lot of different use cases, other people's, what their big data issues are, and that's what I like. I'm kind of an applications engineer, so the use case and how you apply the technologies is what excites me.
Oh, good. Well, speaking of a use case, if you had data to apply to any problem of the world that you could help solve, what would you apply data to?
Well, since I've got a background in text retrieval and stuff on the legal side, and I think on the medical side, it'd be interesting, if we can do a better job of taking all of the research information and things that are out in the medical world and helping, you can come up with new drugs, new solutions, as well as prevent accidents and problems by linking all that data together.
Yeah, another area that might be close to you guys that I would love to see you guys help solve or someone is the whole patent industry. I think our patent industry is patently broke. And it would be wonderful to have a way to identify collisions before they're happening. I don't know if you guys have thought about that. Or
we have patent products, and I actually have some patents myself that are related to some of these sorts of things. But the patents are written by attorneys to intentionally be as vague as possible, and I think I don't know that there is a solution that'll cut the arguments out of the process.
Instead of natural language processing, maybe we have vague language processing or something?
Yes, something like that, yeah.
So Dave, where do you see HPCC and LexisNexis going in the future?
For LexisNexis, we're going to continue doing what we've been doing in terms of like I'm in the risk solutions side now. We're growing that business and doing that on top of the HPCC platform. For HPCC Systems, we hope that it takes off and builds a community so it has a proprietary language, so it's easier to find the developers who understand that language. And it might help us also, a lot of the things we do in the risk business, if we could get on the other side of the firewall, we could help other industries, and if we have a successful open source, then that'll help us get on the other side of the firewall, and we'll be able to license data there and help there. A lot of industries are very reluctant to share their data because of obvious security reasons.
Dave, I hope we see you in Santa Clara at Strata in California.
All right, thank you very much, Mike.